AI Fresh is a new way to profit with AI. We're profiting with the mega site Notion right now. And it's all because of Chat-GPT. Seriously, it's much easier than ClickBank. It's way faster than the other digital product methods you're used to. And with the AI apps we've built, this is brand new. Now, we know you're excited about making money with AI. You want something new and fresh, but you don't know how to get started, right? Well, that's why we've put together the most comprehensive suite to profit with AI and Notion on the planet. First, you get our AI Fresh tool, the only tool that's preloaded with hundreds of AI Notion templates, making 6 figures or more, right now. It's one thing to hear about people making money with Notion, but it's another to see the massive profits people are making right now. So simply choose the already proven template you want to clone, then proceed to the next app. Step 2, now it's time to create your campaign. And this is where the AI comes in. We've made thousands with this exact tactic. Simply find a profitable Notion template, making thousands, tens, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Then copy-paste their page into the AI template builder and watch. As the AI gives you easy, simple, connect the dots steps on how to clone this exact template. This is the method we most recommend, but if you also have your own niche or website, then get this. You can use Notion there too. Simply copy text from any website and paste it into the AI software. Now, the app will generate fresh and new ideas. For Notion templates you can create in your niche. That way you can clone what's working or create something fresh for your niche too. And there's more. Step 3. As well as the 2 apps, we're also including full training in both video and PDF form. Because look, we know you want the fastest way to profit with AI and this new mega site, but you also want mentorship and direct coaching support, right? And that's where the training package comes in. So, are you ready to try something new? Something fresh? To finally break free and make money this summer? Okay, great. Then simply click the button below to get started. Thanks for watching and welcome to AI Fresh.